Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for my new subscribers, because I know I have new subscribers, my name is Ruby and I love doing bold looks. So today's look is this. I really hope you guys like it and I really hope that you guys do learn something, at least one thing. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. So as you guys can see, I already went in and did this side, and now I'm just going to go ahead and start with this side. So let's get started. The palettes that I will be using are, it's going to be a 3502 Morphe palette. And I'll just be taking this red. And then I'll just be adding this other red from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So to prime my lid, I went in and used the Plouis base and Rumour 02. Looks like this. You guys, if you guys don't have this, like, I seriously recommend it. It's super good. It makes your eyeshadow pop a lot more and it's just really blendable. First color I'll be taking is this one from the 3502. Taking the PK524 brush from Morphe. So you want to start patting little by little and softly. If not, I've noticed that with this base, if you go in like right away super hard, you are going to have trouble blending it out. Like sticks, but other than that, it tastes really good. So I'm just applying this all over my crease, and then you want to start flicking upwards just so you can blend out that harsh line. You don't want to go in too rough. Okay, so once we have that blended, I'm going to go ahead and take the red from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And you don't want to bring it all the way up here because that'll just go ahead and create a new line. And then it's going to be really hard to blend out. So you want to tap it in softly down here. Kind of staying like in between your crease and your lid. So now I will start cutting my crease. And then the brush that I'll be using to cut my crease is the one that I always use from Tartecosmetics, and this one's in the number V7. I'll be taking the Plouis base. Okay, so now that we have that cut, I'm gonna go ahead and take a blending sponge. You guys can use any sponge that you guys want, and then just kind of dab off all the excess of the concealer or the base. I just think that this would help with the creasing, which this base doesn't crease at all. But if you guys do end up doing it with concealers, this will help prevent any creases. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add my liner. And the liner I'm using today is the Inglot Cosmetics one. So I'm drawing it kind of a little extra long. Once we have that, here comes the tricky part. You have to draw a second liner, and just start off from right here, from this liner, and draw up the wing. You do want to leave a little bit of space right here in between the liner and the crease. And you just want to start filling it in. Once you get right here to the front, you want to go in more softer, so it can give you that more of a softness and it can start blending better into the lid. Switching to my Tartecosmetics brush number 9, looks like this. Sorry guys, I have concealer, oh my gosh. But anywho, it looks like this. I'm going to start applying some black shadow on top of that eyeliner so it can be more vibrant. So now I'm going to use my fanny pack liner from SuvaBeauty.com with the same brush that I just used for the black. I just cleaned it off. Make sure you guys clean it off, if not it's going to mix in with the black. I'm going to go ahead and apply this right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply this lime green from the Tartecosmetics palette. You just want to blend the black with the lime green. Now I'm just gonna go in and apply this base, which is the Rumour Zero base from Plouis as well, and I'm just gonna apply it right here and then right here. I'm taking this brush. I bought these brushes at Walmart and they work so good. It's like really detailed. So now that we have that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara for my lashes. The lashes I'm using today are in the number 38 and they're from luminzor.com. Okay, so I'm going to go and finish my face off camera and then I'll be right back so I can show you guys like what I'm going to do at the bottom of the lashes and then we'll be all done. Okay, I'm back. It feels like I did like a Christmas look or something. I was trying to go for a Christmas look, but how it came out, but I like it. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is apply some black liner at the bottom and then do the transitioning colors and all that good stuff, and we're done. Go ahead and put it all out. And then some of that red from the Morphe 3502 palette. For my inner corner, I'm gonna use the Naked Cosmetics holographic palette. I'm gonna apply this green one in my inner corner. So this is the final result. We are all finished, and I know it might seem a little difficult for you guys, and it is a little bit difficult, like trying to draw the second liner, but if you guys practice, I know you guys can do it. So if you guys want to see more of these looks, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and then hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.